Hi, the purpose of this tutorial is to talk about discussions and some of the things I've learned about them. I don't know much about discussions, but I do think that they lend themselves well to science, ELA, and social studies. Um, I've only done a few discussions in my class, and I would like to show you just one example and use it to introduce the speed grader function of Canvas, which I love. The discussion we're looking at here is the astronomy video search, which I showed briefly in the announcements tutorial for one of my sub days. And so just to run down, this is actually a graded discussion. It's worth 20 points, but it becomes an assignment. I could embed this directly into my module. I could embed any discussion into any module, which actually probably next year I'll probably make discussions a part of every module, at least one discussion per module. But it is an assignment. It's worth 20 points, but I didn't create it by using assignments. I created it using discussions. It just adds another element to an assignment that allows students to interact with each other through this reply button. So the gist of this is students go out, find videos, 2 videos, and then watch 2 other videos from their peers and tell what they learned about those videos. So that's the gist of this assignment. And specific instructions, course resources, you can link, you can put videos in here, you can show examples if you want, but this is a current discussion that I actually did in my class. But I actually have to go to my live class to show you the speed grader function. So, okay, I've got this discussion. What does that mean? Like you say it's worth 20 points. How do I grade that? How do I know what's going on without scrolling through this huge long news feed feed of students chattering with each other? Some of them did the assignment, did the bare minimum, but like, what if they're talking? What if they're doing more? What if they're adding comments, this and that? Like, I don't want to scroll through all that, so I'm going to use the speed grader for this discussion, right? So it's worth 20 points. The students knew that. There was high participation. I haven't actually graded this yet. I say I haven't graded it yet, but here it is. Let's look at it. Let's go to this. I actually have to click the actual discussion to get to my 3 dots here. All right, so I'm going to go to Speed Grader, registered trademark of Canvas. Speed Grader, love it. This is your grading interface with Canvas. Whatever you do here goes directly into the gradebook, and you can one button click, sync to SIS, boom, this goes to SIS. All right, so this is the second attempt at this video, but I started out with Adam Abrams. Here's what his post looks like. So I'm not looking at all the white noise of all the other students. I can see that Adam Abram posted a video, posted a link to a video, and then commented on 2 videos. This is what I'm seeing here, right? So this is Adam Abrams' stuff. He's got his post, and then this is his comment. He he actually met the requirements, so he got 20 out of 20. Submit, next student. Jobica, 2 videos, 2 replies. Okay, so I'm giving her the 20 points. Don't ever watch this video, by the way, unless you want to be depressed, because this is pretty bad. No, I'm going to resist the urge to click on it to expose you that. She got 20 points. Submit. Next student. Okay, this will be the last one I show. Azure, she has issues. I can't see what's going on here. This is very muddled. I wouldn't have issues with this because it looks like she tried to link some YouTube video here and a YouTube video here. But I don't see okay, I don't see anything that would show that show her reply to others. So I have an issue with her post. First of all, she should know how to embed the video, but she should also know how to put it to where there's like an actual clickable link, right? And that was something I shared with them verbally. So there's an issue with this post, and I'm going to try something I haven't tried before, and I could type something to her and say, hey, there's an issue with your post. But look, let's see, you don't want to do that. I want to say something to Azure about this, but I don't want to type it. Okay, so Azure, there's an issue with your post. cancel. I don't like that. Okay. There's an issue with this. Sorry. There's an issue with this post. Please see me or repost clickable links. Okay, done. I could submit this. I'm not going to do that, but this is awesome. I could submit a recording. I've actually never clicked this. Let's see. Nah, I'm not going to do this right now. But just know, you can actually record yourself. I think audio is good. You can video yourself. You can submit files. Whatever it is. This is pretty cool. But I'm not going to submit this. All right. That is discussion. That's how I use discussions. So now let me go back to our class, and I'm going to just do a quick creation of a discussion, and some way you can use discussion as collaboration between students or sharing ideas with each other. It's pretty cool. I like it. I'm going to create a discussion right now on the spot. We're going to call this discussion What I Learned About Canvas. Okay. Feel free to share any tricks you learn about Canvas in the replies. In your replies. Okay, so that's it. That's the prompt. All right, I'm going to allow threaded replies so people can talk about different topics. We're not going to do that. We'll do allow grading. This is cool. Okay, so I'm going to do that, and we will save and publish. So this is a published discussion. All right, and I'm going to say something. I'm going to show you how you reply, how we can use this to share. Hey, math people, check this out. Again, I want you to check this out. I'm going to find something about math, I think. How to write. There it is. You can tell I've searched this before. Still learning about this, by the way. Click on this. And I haven't read this at all yet, but this is exactly what I want, and I want you guys to know it too. I want to share this with you. Math people will love this, but I can share the link. I could copy and paste whatever it is. It doesn't matter. I'm sharing this with you. I might tell you what it is. It tells you how to write equations, just so it's not a surprise. All right, so that's my post reply. So that's there. It's up there on the board. People can see it. People can reply. People can like, and I can reply. I can see what other people do. This is a way you can use discussions. All right. So hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.